Okay, we're going to use Snort, play around with it a little bit. Let's put Snort into sniffing mode first, make sure we mention the interface. And now it's listening. We'll just test this out, give it a ping. And we saw some ping there, collected 6 ICMP packets. We'll go up and investigate if we like. Now let's put Snort into intrusion detection mode. First of all, we're just going to look at a rule, string.rules. Very simple rule. We use the content, and we're recording, or what we're looking for is 4 A's. So we're going to use netcat to send that across. First of all, we got to put Snort into intrusion detection mode, just like that. Oh, and what I forgot was the interface. And now we're going to use netcat. The Windows machine is waiting for a file. I'm going to create that file now, and then we'll send it. Just like that. Windows machine has received it, and we'll just identify the file. We see there's 4 A's that's come across, and we should be able to turn off intrusion detection. And yes, we have 1 alert, and we can verify that. And there we go. So perhaps I'm worried about an intruder getting on the Linux machine and typing in this command, listing usernames. Well, we can create a rule for that as well. This is the important part right here. So let's put Snort into intrusion detection mode. Again, make sure we remember the interface. And let's get netcat ready. Offer up a shell. So we're going to connect with this command here, and notice I've already typed ls. What I can do now, and I get a list of usernames. I go back to my intrusion detection system. Yes, we've alerted on that. And again, there it is, alert on password. Perhaps we're worried about a particular type of scan, maybe a sin-fin scan. So let's look at our flags rule. So this is what we're interested in. 2 flags are up at the same time, the sin and the fin, which should not happen. So let's get Snort going. And we can use hping to actually send our packet. And there it goes. Stop that. And we've collected 3 alerts because there were indeed 3 packets. So the sin-fin intrusion detection has picked that up. Perhaps we want to create a rule based on hexadecimal. We could first put Snort into sniffing mode, and then depending on what it was we wanted to alert on, for instance, here's a telnet connection. So we've got the login screen here, and we've got the packet recorded here. In hexadecimal, we can see the spaces equal to the 20s in hexadecimal. So we could actually take, maybe we just take 3 these parts here, 6F, 60, 65. So we place that. The one difference you notice is these bars surround the hexadecimal. And let's start intrusion detection. Once we get the login screen, we would hope that Snort has recorded the packet, and indeed it has. And there you go. Now if we wanted to look at these packets, we can go into varlog snort. We can actually type Wireshark and then whichever log we'd like, and view those packets.